Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is Cassie here, and Lily and Lizzie.
And Cassie.
If you know Lizzie from LizzieGamingTime, here she is, to prove that we're BFFs in real life.
And here's me.
Yes. Yes, my daddy.
Yeah.
Mwah. Again, you saw her.
I hate when you lick my face.
Stop it. Oh look, jump. No, let her just go up here for a minute.
Smelly.
Jump it, and then she jumps. Aww.
Smelly. Do you like me when I say smelly? Yeah. Yeah.
No, jump it. And guys, it's so weird. Stand up, Michelle.
Yeah.
Both of us were wearing our school tights, and we didn't know we were wearing our school tights. Look, there's Michelle's with her beautiful dress, and there's mine with my dress.
And I painted my nails.
Black. Okay. Okay.
Ow!
Let me do this.
Wait. We have rules. No fighting. No cursing. No message room. Wait, no message. Messaging room.
No playing on my phone. I just wrote that bill. Hello. Mama. But guys, look, Michelle, stop.
What?
And now let's go back in. I'm back. Yay, I done it myself, Michelle. Hey, Michelle, she's so sexy. Shut up, Cassie. She's looking at my clothes. Thanks. You don't need to tell your name. Woo! Yo. That didn't go well. Hello, guys. Sorry, that's just me doing the vibe. And Michelle's tidying up my room, so stop it!
Why?
Because I'm so lonely. Is your mom calling you?
No. That already happened.
Michelle's phone. Oh. Yeah. So she's going to record a video. I'm going to pause my video and let her record.
Hey guys, it's me Lizzie, and today I'm back doing a vlog.
I'm Lily.
I'm Cassie.
My daddy.
I'm in her house.
Yeah, she's in my house, and this is proof that we're BFFs from her channel. When she said, because I'm Slendy Pup 100, but now I'm Lily. Check out my channel, LizzieGamingTime, and guys, I'm recording.
Please.
No, shush.
Wait.
Recording. Recording. That was like a dribble.
Okay, so please send, if you're an MSV, send her gifts. It's her birthday.
Next Friday, but on next Wednesday.
No, this Friday. This Friday.
Yeah, this Friday is my birthday. Wait, this Friday.
Yes.
Oh yeah, this Friday.
And then send her birthday gifts today because people give her gifts on Wednesday.
But guys.
Her birthday party.
But guys, on on Thursday, I will be making a video with her. Who am I talking to? With both of you. Yeah, because I'm going to her house, and we might be in the pool.
Yeah. I'm getting my brother's iPhone. What's your phone number?
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be doing the music and say bye. Bye. Why are you so loud, Cassie?